Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Polymorphism in Java can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly. Let's look at how the superhero class overrides the power-up method right now. First, notice that the variable j is declared as a hero, but it actually holds a superhero object. This means Java will look for methods in the superhero class first. When we call j.powerup with 10, Java uses dynamic method lookup. It executes the overwritten version in superhero, which takes our input and doubles it before calling super. The super call adds 20 to 50, bringing total power to 70. This makes option D the correct answer for this code segment. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the code to master dynamic method dispatch rules.